Hey guys, Jad from Adventure 4x4 here, and I'm going to be running you through the best way to carry your fridge is a Clearview drop slide. Clearview drop slide is the most easy and efficient way for you to carry your fridge within your canopy, in your four-wheel drive, on those rugged four-wheel drive trips. Coming in 3 different sizes, it can suit a variety of setups and a variety of fridges that you need for your four-wheel driving trips. The Clearview drop slide has been tested to outlast over 10,000 movements, also coming with a 3-year warranty, so you know it's a quality product. The Clearview drop slide has a 3-locker mechanism to make it safe for you and your family. It has a latch down the bottom to keep it into place. It has 2 more latches which you have to hold down at the same time to pull it out. And there's a 3rd latch up on the handle to allow you to pull it down to the height you needed. The Clearview drop slide has a 290mm drop, also has 4 different stopping stages to suit a variety of different setups in the back of your canopy or in the back of your four-wheel drive. If you want to get more information or see one of these in person for yourself, swing past Adventure 4x4. We have one on the stand here, or we've got them in the multiple canopies.